Volcanic eruptions make up a fifth of all natural disasters. Volcanic eruptions have the power to destroy whole cities, alter global climate, and devastate economies. They can produce rivers of molten lava, crushing mud flows, suffocating ash, and toxic gases that wreak havoc across the globe for years after. Here are 10 of the most devastating eruptions in recent human history. Santa Maria, Guatemala, 25th October 1902. For hundreds, maybe even thousands of years, the Santa Maria volcano remained inactive. That is, until 1902, when a series of earthquakes in the Central America region caused it to erupt violently. The eruption killed at least 5,000 people, although many believe this number to be understated. The eruption produced a column 28 km tall, producing 5.5 km cube of pyroclastic debris over the course of 19 days. The ash from the eruption darkened the skies of Guatemala for days and spread all the way to San Francisco. It is thought to have cost well over $1 million in damages. Mount Vesuvius, Italy, 79 AD. Mount Vesuvius has erupted several times in human history. However, the terrifying eruption of 79 AD is the most well known. On 24 August, Vesuvius erupted ash, mud, and toxic gases, completely burying the nearby cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. The eruption killed 16,000 people. It took until 1595 for the cities to be excavated and rediscovered. If the same eruption occurred today, it would cost in the billions. Mount Pinatubo, Philippines, 1991. The Mount Pinatubo eruption was the second largest volcanic eruption of the 20th century. On 15 June, the volcano erupted, creating an ash cloud that rose 35 km into the air. The eruption created massive avalanches of pyroclastic flows and ejected nearly 20 million tons of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere, causing global temperature to plummet. While only 722 were killed, the eruption left more than 2 million people homeless. Eruption cost upwards of $200 million. Nevado del Ruiz, Colombia, 1985. Despite its relatively medium size, the eruption of Nevado del Ruiz had devastating results. The most destructive part of the eruption was the resulting mud flow, which buried the town of Armero and took 20,000 lives. Listed by the International Disaster Database as the most expensive volcanic eruption, Nevado is said to have cost an estimated $1 billion. Mount Unzen, Japan, 1792. The explosion of Mount Unzen remains Japan's deadliest volcanic eruption. The explosion collapsed the dome of the volcano, generating a massive landslide that buried the city of Shimabara and flowed into the ocean, triggering a tsunami 57 meters high. The catastrophe killed about 15,000 people. The cost of damages to agriculture and fish facilities was estimated at 17.4 billion yen, roughly $150 million. Ilopango, El Salvador, 450 AD. The first known eruption of Ilopango in 450 AD is the second largest volcanic eruption in the last 200,000 years. This eruption was so large that it is thought to have destroyed several Mayan cities. The skies were filled with ash and dust for more than a year. The eruption is estimated to have killed up to 100,000 people and displaced more than 400,000. It is thought to be the cause of the global cooling of AD 535 to 536. Which led to crop failures from Rome to China. Mount Pelee, Caribbean, 1902. Until Mount Pelee produced the worst eruption of the 20th century, the volcano was thought to be dormant. On 8 May, Mount Pelee exploded hot gas and volcanic debris, destroying the entire city of Saint Pierre. Of the 28,000 people living in Saint Pierre, only 2 survived. The cost of the eruption was estimated at $50 million. Laki, Iceland, 1783. The devastation of the Laki eruption was felt globally for years after the event. The Laki eruption lasted for 8 months, emitting about 14.7 km cube of lava. Toxic gases poisoned crops and killed 60% of the Iceland's grazing livestock. The volcano released enough sulfur dioxide to cause acid rain and global temperatures to drop. The eruption resulted in a famine that killed over 10,000 Icelandic people, roughly a quarter of the country's population at the time. As Laki's toxic eruption traveled south, it killed 23,000 in Britain and caused a famine in Egypt. Some environmental historians believe the European famine caused by the eruption may have been a catalyst for the French Revolution. Krakatau, Indonesia, 1883. The eruption of the Indonesian volcano Krakatau was one of the most violent eruptions in recent human history, completely destroying the island on which it resides. On the morning of 27th August, a series of massive eruptions tore the volcano's wall apart. Krakatau's final eruption was 4 times more powerful than the largest bomb that humans have detonated. The airwaves traveled 7 times around the globe. It produces a series of tsunamis that devastated the region, killing around 36,000 people and destroying whole villages. Some have estimated that cost of the eruption to be as high as $1.5 billion. Mount Tambora, Indonesia, 1850. Mount Tambora is the deadliest eruption in recent human history, claiming the lives of up to 120,000 people. On 10th April 1815, Tambora erupted, sending volcanic ash 40 km into the sky. It was the most powerful eruption in 500 years. Upon entering the ocean, the force of the pyroclastic flow caused the creation of a series of towering tsunamis. Thanks to the enormous amount of sulfur dioxide emitted, the world experienced a severe temperature drop that led to global crop failure. Thousands starved to death in China while typhus spread across Europe. In the 2 years after the explosion, the price of grain in Switzerland more than quadrupled. This is the top 10 worst volcanic eruption ever happened in human history. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.